1956 Ford Crown Victoria here at Unique, especially in classics. Yes, real Crown Vic, 64A body code. Y-block V8 power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Ford-O-Matic. Power steering has been added. Let's take a look at the chrome on the grille, bumper. Good looking front end on these cars. Turquoise and white paint color combination. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the white wall radial tires, steel wheels, Ford wheel covers. Nice original look. You can see the spotlights are on the car also. Those are not wired in, but they are obviously mounted nicely. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels nice and straight. Bright work. Also looking good down this passenger side, and a lot of chrome in these Crown Victorias. Always a popular year and body style here at Unique Classic Cars. Fender skirts. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer peek at the interior, but white and turquoise interior also. Continental kit. Dual exhaust exiting through the chrome rear bumper. This car will come with a car cover. And once again, all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And as you notice, the paint's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, anything major. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, paint and brake work showing very well in this car. A few notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. Said the front brakes are 80%, rear brakes are at 50%. Wheel cylinders do seep a little bit, could use rear shoes. There is a folder with miscellaneous receipts as far as some parts and service work that have been done on this car. I also mentioned the tires probably need replacing sometime in the near future. All right, let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see panels nice and straight, bright work looking good. Paint's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Love the turquoise and white color combinations back in the mid-50s. Popular color then. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. If you like these mid-50s Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Door panel looks good, matching the vinyl seats. If you want to do any decoding of the data tag, that'll be in the still pictures. Vinyl seats, free of any looks like rips, tears, or holes. There's a little wear spot down here in the bottom. I guess as far as the seating surface area, I'm not noticing anything major. Seat belts added up front. Let's go ahead and fire this up. It does have a retro sound style radio that's been added, and that is working. There's that Y-block, little rumble. Stereo working. There's an oil pressure gauge underneath the dash, as well as a fire extinguisher, just in case. Wipers do work. Fuel gauge coming up, appears to be working. That was a cold start, so I would expect the temp gauge to be up. Sounds good. All right, headliner, also in nice shape. Door closes nicely. Step to the rear and take a listen. Sounds good. Little rumble, nothing crazy over the top. All right, let's go ahead and get this hood open so you can check out this engine bay. Then if you stick around at the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, underside of the hood. Looks good. And engine bay. So again, Y-block V8. Looks like a newer master cylinder. Mentioned power steering at it. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. Notice there is a valve, heater core, looks like it is shut off. Bypassed. There it is. V8 power paired up with that automatic transmission. 1956 Ford Crown Victoria, real deal. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com, all those still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1956 Ford. Beautiful car. Teal and white. Two-door. Those rear windows roll down just like the door windows do. Brakes are nice and smooth. Both our turn signals are working. Digital stereo on the dash. Haven't that tested cassette, but FM is working. This car starts up easily and idles nicely right away. It's got a nice little thump to the exhaust. The way it should sound for 1956. Our fuel gauge is reading completely full. And the coolant gauge is reading full. I would expect it to be a little warmer by now. I'll let you know if that warms up. For the oil and the generator, there are warning lights that would be lit if there was 175 miles an hour per this speedometer. Feels maybe right, maybe it reads a little fast. We got our clock equipped right here. The wipers work, the blower motor also works on this one. Beautiful interior to match that beautiful exterior with colors from 1956. Comfortable bench seat in front and in back. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Brakes are working as they should. We got a little bit of traffic to wait for.